Today we're showing you a John Deere 5045E tractor. It's a 2010 year model. Engine is prior to all the Tier 4 emissions. Tractor is just over 400 hours on it. Talk about a super sharp tractor. This one is going to fit the bill. If you're looking for a pre-emission tractor, has exceptionally low hours and in great shape, this tractor is going to check all your boxes. Paint is excellent on the tractor and loader. It looks like it's been stored inside every day of its life. It's a super clean tractor. Has the heavy duty front bucket on it here. John Deere style hookup for your bucket connection. Has the grill guard. And as you can see, the paint's nice and bright on it. The tractor just came in. All we did to this tractor was take a garden hose to it and got the dust off of it. Other than that, you're seeing it just the way it came in. So somebody really took exceptionally good care of this tractor. Barely any paint off of the pedals, barely any paint off of the floorboards. 415.9 are the current hours on the tractor. Has the 9 3-gear transmission, 3 gears over here, 3 ranges and the other orange lever to the left of the seat. Has the turf tires on it, the little fat low pro turf tires. Canopy top up top. Talk about a slick tractor. This one's just about as sweet as they come. The 540 PTO here, take this cover off here for you. It doesn't look like it's ever been used. Still has the plastic on it. Has a rear remote back here. Doesn't look like the 3-point's ever been hooked. You can still see the paint on the balls here. Looks like it may have been hooked a couple times, but very minimal. You can still see the paint right here. And again, all we did to this tractor is take a garden hose to it. We did no touch-ups to this tractor. You're seeing it just the way it came in. Super sharp tractor. Just about can't find them like this. You're going to spend a lot of time and a lot of money driving your pickup up and down the road to try to find a nicer one. It's just about as clean as they're going to come for a 2010. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. Tractor also must pass a 40-point inspection prior to pickup or delivery. If you have any questions regarding this unit or any of our other used tractors, please contact us at masttractor.com.